And in northern India, rescue crews are working to get 41 construction workers who've been trapped in a collapsed highway tunnel for 9 days now freed. Local authorities say that the men inside the tunnel are safe and have been getting oxygen, food, water, and medicine through a pipe. They've been able to keep communication open using radios as well. Last Friday, the drilling machine rescuers were using broke down, putting a halt on the operation. Now a new drilling machine has been brought in, and the plan is to try to drill down vertically from the top of the mountain to reach the trapped workers, though that could take a few more days, and there is more risk of debris falling into the tunnel during the digging.